Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate a verified email on OneXBet. Firstly, open the OneXBet website or app and log into your account. Click on My Account on the top right corner, then select Personal Profile. Here you'll see your registered details including your email address. If your email is not verified, you will see an option to Verify Email. Click on it and OneXBet will send the verification email to your registered inbox. Click on it and OneXBet will send the verification email to your registered inbox. Open your email inbox and verify that email. Once you click the link, you'll be redirected to the back of OneXBet. A confirmation message will appear saying your email has been successfully verified. If you don't receive the verification email within a few minutes, request a new one from the account settings page or contact OneXBet support for assistance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.